Raising Justice with of Redemption. Break quickly at the start. Moving up Security Joy. Inner Clans Zaria Zaris Marias. Then followed over by Lucky Lorky while Jaiho is the early trailer run going along for the first turn. We have Redemption Security Joy alongside second. Inner Class comes next. Then followed over by Is Marias, Lucky Lorky and Jaiho. Half mile distance they traveled. We have Security Joy by our ahead. Redemption moving a party outside. Inner Class is Marias is racing in fourth. Then followed over by Lucky Lorky and Jaiho. Inside the tres octavo we have Redemption now takes command by about half length on the outside. Security Joy. Inner Class is Marias, Lucky Lorky while Jaiho is still racing in less. And Diana Winter in the home stretch. Redemption, Security Joy. Inner Class moving up Narano inside of his Marias, Lucky Lorky with about 150 meters more to run. We have Redemption by about 2 lengths. And in second is Inner Class moving up Lucky Lorky. And finally it's Redemption. Lucky Lorky, Inner Class, Security Joy. And then comes Jaiho wins Marias.
All right.
1564.
Correct. Redemption crossing the